Emakhosini bogogo nabomkhulu, I just want to share something so interesting, right? I came across a video of a guy, and I thought I should share at my 2 cents from whatever that he was talking about, right? So, ukhuluma ngokuthi, why do people have to cry makuthiwa bathwebula idlozi? Umuntu akhala ukuthi bathi ngiyathakatha, because abantu bayabona ukuthi okay, idlozi la ekhaya alinakiwe for a long time, and wena usukuma uyenza into zedlozi, uligeza idlozi, ulilanda, ulifakela endlini, banakekela, baphakele ukudla kwabo, uyenze konke bakufuna, bacelele uxolo ezintweni bahambe bazenzile. Abanye bakukhombe kwaShembe, uhambe uyokhonza kwaShembe, bakukhombe eZayoni, uhambe uyokhonza kwaZayoni. Abanye baphinde bakukhombe ukuthi hayibo, hamba ke uyothwasa, uhambe uyothwasa. Bese ithi izinto masezijika-ke, bese idlozi seliphendula ngoba selijabulile manje, seliyakenzela, bese kuthiwe wena-ke uthwebule idlozi. Awulithwebulanga, idlozi liyaphendula, idlozi liyayenza. Bekungekho linakile idlozi, bekungekho onendaba nedlozi. Kodwa namhlanje izinto masezijika, bonke bayakhala. Please, masishereni, what do you think about this whole story? I think video khona iyenziwe by the gentleman, I think Pyramid. Yeah, Pyramid. Please check it out. Check out the video. And yeah, please add your 2 cents ukuthi ucabangani kule topic emakhosini.